Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a contact form that allows user to get some files after filling the form. So first of all, let me go in website dashboard, and now you need to install a plugin that's called WP Forms. So simply you can go here in WordPress plugin library and you can search for WP Forms. And now here you can see plugin is active, so you can easily install and activate the plugin. After that, on the left side here you can see this one. You can go to all forms, and after that here you can add the form name. You can also create your contact form using AI. And on the left side here you can see these are the different categories for which you can easily get the contact form. So for example, let me type a keyword content. Then here you can see these are the forms related to content. So in this video we are going to use this template content download form. Click here, use template. You can change the title, for example get files. So whatever title you want to add. Then let's go to fields, and if you want to remove any of the field from here, for example I want to remove this, you can easily remove fields, and also you can add the fields from here. So let me also remove name field. Now after that, if you want to attach some files, then you can simply go here and you can upload files in the media. For example, here I have this one PDF file. Let me copy the link and then click on settings, then confirmations, scroll down, and here you can attach the link. Then after that, click on save button, and now you can easily embed this form using shortcode. So let me go here and add a new page, get files by filling form, then add the code here, and now you can select the page template. So after that, click here schedule, and then now you can easily view this form. Scroll down. So for example, let me add here, then click on submit button. So here you can see this one is the link where you can use and download the files. So you can also attach the files from the Google Drive. Just you can right click, and after that you can get a shareable link, this one. Then you can go back and replace this link here. So this one, now Google Drive link is added